Techlan recycles a high specification silicone release paper for supply back into the marketplace. This particular paper is used once in a manufacturing process. At the end of that manufacturing process, it becomes discarded as waste, which either goes to landfill or for incineration. What we do is we take that paper, we run it through our innovative cleaning process, which removes the contaminant that was on the paper. This then allows the paper to be reused back into the marketplace. The Techlan end product is a very high-spec recycled silicone release paper that's very versatile. It can be used in a variety of products, anything from labels, adhesive, bitumens, anything with a sticky backing or substance. The Techlan release paper would work well with that product. Techlan had been in an R&D stage for nearly 3 years. We were happy with the stages that we completed, and we then established that we needed to do quite a large market research of industry to establish what sectors of industry would receive the paper, and also to establish what sort of pricing we could apply to our product. We got very limited resources at Techlan at that stage. We identified we really needed an external organisation to undertake that process for us. We'd heard that RAP gave assistance to environmental businesses and to environmental projects, and we approached them with the Techlan business. RAP Cymru helped us by providing funding for the market research that we needed. They identified a number of consultants within their database who they felt could assist us with the project, and we then identified one consultant for us to use to take the project forward. Without the RAP funding, we wouldn't have been able to have such an extensive market research project done in such a short time scale. We just didn't have the resources available at Techlan to do that. The decision was made really to move into full production. We again then approached RAP to assist with the part funding of our cleaning line, which they did. And subsequently we've now moved into a full production phase where we are bringing paper from source, cleaning that paper, and it's being reintroduced back into industry in the UK. Well, we see the capability of taking Techlan forward on a global scale. Well, what we're doing here in the UK, the services that we're providing, diverting product from landfill and reintroducing back into the marketplace, can be duplicated into the European sector, the American sector, and the Chinese and Indian sectors where the paper is produced. There is a market and a demand for the paper, so we intend to drive it forward and license the technology out to other organisations overseas. RAP have been great. They've really bridged the gap between Techlan having limited resources available to move the business forward and Techlan not being able to achieve that internally, and the funding that they've given us for the market research project and now for the equipment have been invaluable really in order for us to take the business forward.